Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you are already a subscriber on this channel, thank you for watching my videos, and I appreciate every minute you spend on this channel. So here in this video, I'm gonna share with you Fiverr writing services you can offer on Fiverr marketplace to make money online. If you know how to write, or you have idea on how to write content, so here in this video I'll be showing you some niche in writing or some categories in writing service on Fiverr, in which if you created or create a gig in this kind of categories, definitely you will be making money on Fiverr marketplace. And of course, you can also try the method on some other platforms, but in this video we're gonna be showing discussing about how you can use your writing skills to make money on Fiverr platform. So here I'll be going through the writing categories on Fiverr, then we'll discuss about the one that you can definitely try out, and of course there is a lot of things you can actually achieve with it. So here are some new subcategories that Fiverr listed on the writing category. So like for this podcast writing here, so here Fiverr just launched this subcategory of recent, and there are limited sellers on this category, which we have 324 gigs already on this category, and they are all making sales on their own. So that will be the first category we're discussing about as a writer, in which if you create a gig here on this category, so definitely you will be making your own money out of it. So I don't want to waste much of the time, because if I decide to be clicking each and every of the gigs, so it's kind of time consuming. So I'll just be showing you each categories that you can definitely set up a gig on, and of course you start making your sales on Fiverr marketplace as a writer. So that is that for podcast writing. And then there is one as well, which is not legal writing but press release. Yes, press release. So here on press release we have 230 gigs already on this category, and then it's high in demand. It's high in demand too. So you can see here, you can see all these gigs here on this first page. They are all having sales already. They are all having sales already, and all of them have reviews on their gigs. So you can see here, all of them have gigs on their sales or reviews on their gigs. So this is the second writing service we're going to be looking about. So this is this, and then there is one keyword that I remember, which is artist, writing a bio for artists. So I discovered that lately, and then see, this is just like 110 gigs here, which is very less competitive. And then I just noticed lately by some artists are just coming here to purchase a service for their bio, to write something captivating for their profile. So if you set up a gig here on this category, definitely you'll make money out of it as well. So that's the third writing category we're discussing about. Then let's just pick another one, so we make it for writing. Then product description has been like high in demand, but this is kind of like more high in demand than other categories that I've been discussing about. And then this one particularly, it's I think it's way more than this 488 gigs though. And then there is lot of sales here. There's a lot of sales here because many people come here on Fiverr to write product description for each product they are publishing or having on their dropshipping website, or Amazon dropshipping or any dropshipping website. So imagine you writing product description for each product, and there is a store like having like 5,000 products. Imagine how much you're going to make on that. So this is way big. This is way big. So you can see what I'm actually talking about. Imagine writing a product description for just this product, and the store have like different type of products. So imagine how much you're going to be making on each product description you write on Fiverr Marketplace. So this is the fourth year. This is the fourth writing skills. And you know, there are a lot of skills, there are a lot of writing skills, there are or categories here on Fiverr. So there are lots. So I just pinch out some that I think if you kind of like create a gig with them, so definitely you're going to make money on it. And I'm not like spoiling the other stuff, or not talking about the other categories. So here there are a lot of categories here. You can see this. You can see legal writing, technical writing, grant writing, transcript, speech writing. Everything is so great. But the one I just mentioned, I just think they are kind of like low competitive, and if you create a gig, it's possible for you to get your gig on the first or second page on Fiverr Marketplace. So I just hope this help you, and then you are able to create or set up a gig on any of these explained or shared categories with you, and hope you give it a try, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.